Have you ever wondered how our changing climate affects the creatures that share our planet? It's a question that perhaps doesn't cross our minds often enough. Climate change. It's a term we hear all the time, but what does it really mean? In simple terms, it's the long-term shift in global or regional climate patterns. It's largely caused by activities that pump vast amounts of greenhouse gases into our atmosphere, like burning fossil fuels for electricity, heat, and transportation. These actions have a domino effect, increasing Earth's average temperature, a phenomenon we know as global warming. Now think of the wildlife: the polar bear in the Arctic, the elephant in the savannah, or the butterfly in your backyard. They all rely on nature's delicate balance. As our world heats up, habitats change, food sources become scarce, migrations are disrupted. Wildlife in every corner of the globe faces unprecedented challenges. As the planet warms, wildlife faces unprecedented challenges. But what does unprecedented challenges mean for our wildlife? Well, imagine your home slowly disappearing or the grocery store running out of your favorite food, never to restock it. That's the reality for our wildlife due to climate change. You see, animals rely on their habitats and food sources to survive, but these are under threat. Habitat loss is akin to losing your home brick by brick. As our planet heats up, polar ice melts, forests dry out, and coral reefs bleach. These are homes to polar bears, birds, and fish respectively. They are left homeless and often helpless. The changing climate also disrupts food chains. Picture your favorite restaurant closing down. For animals, warming oceans can result in a decline in krill, a vital food source for whales and penguins. And let's not forget disease. Like us, animals can fall sick, but climate change makes this more likely, with warmer temperatures often boosting disease-causing pathogens. The survival of many species hangs in the balance. So, what can you do to help mitigate these effects and protect our wildlife? Well, the answer lies in our everyday actions. Reducing our carbon footprint is a great starting point. This can be done by using public transportation, cycling, walking, or even carpooling instead of using individual cars. Reducing, reusing, and recycling can also help keep harmful waste out of our environment. Next, consider switching to renewable energy sources. Solar panels and wind turbines, for instance, have a much smaller impact on the environment compared to traditional energy sources. And remember, it's not just about what we do at home. We can also make a difference by advocating for climate-friendly policies. This could be as simple as voting for leaders who prioritize the environment or supporting businesses that are committed to sustainable practices. And finally, remember to share what you've learned. Knowledge is power, and the more people understand the impact of climate change on wildlife, the more they can do to help. Remember, every action counts. The future of our wildlife and our planet depends on us.